UK car insurance in 2026. What drivers need to know? The UK car insurance landscape is undergoing significant shifts, with changes in risk assessment, rising repair costs, and the increasing role of technology. While premiums have recently fallen, this trend is unlikely to last. Drivers need to understand these changes to navigate the market effectively and secure the best possible deals. Premium trends and market pressures. Car insurance costs saw a decrease in 2025, with the average UK premium dropping to £551 in Q3, a £60 reduction from the previous year. However, insurers are facing mounting pressure. In 2024, payouts reached a record £11.7 billion due to escalating repair costs and vehicle theft. Key point: insurers are now forecasting payouts to exceed premiums by 7% in 2026, meaning for every £1 earned, they'll pay out £1.07 in claims and expenses. This imbalance suggests premiums will likely rise again, potentially by around 5%, approximately £25 on average. Major changes for 2026. Several key changes will redefine how car insurance is priced and managed. Vehicle Risk Rating (VRR) replaces insurance groups. The traditional 150 insurance group system is being replaced by Vehicle Risk Rating (VRR) for cars registered after August 2024. This new system scores vehicles from 199 based on 5 factors: performance, damageability, repairability, safety, and security. Why this matters? VRR offers a more granular assessment of risk, potentially leading to more accurate and sometimes higher premiums for certain vehicles. Rising repair costs. Modern vehicles packed with sensors and safety tech are significantly more expensive to repair. The ABI reports that repair costs now account for 64% of all claims payouts. Electric vehicles, EVs, are notably pricier to fix, costing 25% more than petrol cars. Telematics growth. Telematics, black box insurance, which tracks driving behavior, is gaining traction. Approximately 81% of UK drivers are now aware of this option. Young drivers can save over £1,000 annually by choosing telematics policies that reward safe driving. Fuel duty changes. The temporary 5p fuel duty cut ends in September 2026, and duty will subsequently rise annually with inflation. This could indirectly impact insurance costs by increasing the overall cost of vehicle ownership. Electric vehicle insurance. While EVs remain more expensive to insure due to battery repair costs, the gap is shrinking as repair methods improve. Stricter enforcement for uninsured drivers. New rules will prevent uninsured drivers from claiming property damage compensation from the Motor Insurers Bureau. With approximately 300,000 uninsured vehicles on UK roads daily, this change aims to reduce fraud and protect insured drivers. How AI is reshaping pricing. Insurers are increasingly using artificial intelligence, AI, and real-time data to assess risk. This leads to more personalized premiums. Safe drivers may benefit from lower rates, while those with poor driving records will likely pay more. Important note: young drivers, 17-24, continue to face the highest costs, averaging around £3,350 per year. Choosing a low insurance group car and considering telematics are crucial strategies for savings. What this means for you: the 2026 car insurance market demands proactive engagement. Regularly compare quotes, explore telematics options if you're a safe driver, and familiarize yourself with your vehicle's VRR score. Small steps taken now can significantly reduce your insurance expenses. With premiums poised to rise, now is an ideal time to review your current coverage and ensure you're getting the best possible value.